and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Lodha Haven, which is located in Chudasandra on Hosa Road in Bangalore. And this project is developed by Lodha. And today we'll be doing the project overview of the project that brings nature to your doorstep. And in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office just behind me and the land parcel is itself over here. Now, let's discuss what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. It's about this project. So this project is constructed on total 9.2 lush acres with total 6 towers having ground plus 19 floors with 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 3.5 BHK Lux and 4.5 BHK Lux premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so basically this project is located on Silver County Road and Hosa Road in Chudasandra in Bangalore. You can reach HSR in just 5 minutes from the project, Eco Space and Eco World in 15 minutes. Kudlu Gate is 8 minutes away and Wipro Kudetti is just 10 minutes away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project provides you 60 plus world-class amenities catering all age groups, including 25,000 square feet of clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, landscape garden, tree house with central forest zone, Centermont services and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, as mentioned, this project provides you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 3.5 BHK Lux, 4.5 BHK plus complimentary staff room. So 3 BHK starting from 1656 square feet, 3.5 BHK is 2088 square feet. 3.5 BHK Lux is 2466 square feet and 4.5 BHK Lux, that is 4.5 BHK plus complimentary staff room is 3426 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process, so project booking windows are open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project details along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project that is Lodha Haven, which is located in Chudasandra, Bangalore, a project by Lodha.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.